This issue of marriage is an issue of tawheed. I'm trying to reconnect them back to Allah, having trust in Allah. Even our sisters taking the hijab off or beautifying themselves. The issue here is tawakkul. What you're saying is very simple. And shaitan tried to tempt me as well, where you think that the matter is in your hands. So when a sister shows her hair or starts to dress up tight, the problem here is tawheed, because what she's saying is the following. She's saying basically, I don't think Allah can find me someone. Therefore, I'm going to take the matters in my hand. I'm going to show my body and I'm going to dress up a certain way so I can find someone. Can you imagine this? Just think about it, yeah? And the same goes with brothers. The brothers, like, for example, they sell drugs. Because I'm going to get married, brother, I have to provide. You don't trust the one who created the heavens and the earth, the universe. Have you seen the video where it shows our planet and it shows the star and the moon and this? Have you seen that? Can you imagine Allah, who created all of that, can't find you a wife, can't find you a husband? It's crazy. The point is this: we take matters in our own hands because we think, okay, I've tried, it's not working, I know. If I beautify myself, take some pictures, look this way, sell drugs, then I can get... This is an issue of tawakkul. Allah will test you. You're going to be tested. And Allah can give you a wife. Uqsum billah. He can give you a wife, He can give you the best husband. You know, I went through a lot of struggles. Allah tested me. Literally pushed, you know the cliff? I was on the verge of cliff like this. It's good. If you put your trust in Allah, when you drop in that cliff, you'll have a nice parachute. And you have a nice landing and your wife and husband will be waiting at the bottom. The point is this, is that you will be tested and Allah will put you through these tests. If you stay firm, your dua will be answered. Trust me.